So not only were we able to figure out the upside based on this USDT asset here, pointing out specifically the resistances that we caught right up here, well, we were also able to determine the price action through XRP via time frame closures. For example, we used the 3-day time frame to determine that there could be a 50% prior bar pullback, should it be that we're facing one, from the opening of this new 3-day bar. Well, that target, if we just highlight it like this here, right, the 50% of that prior bar being the distance between this bar here in the bottom and then to the top, was highlighting an area of roughly around 295.63. Expanding our view and taking a look at our actual supports, well, 295.45, 290, what is this one here, 294.95 and 294.30 with a potential liquidity bottom of 293. Absolutely nailed it. And not only that, but we absolutely nailed our top sides as well, guys. So very much a huge congratulations to those of you who understood the mathematics, who understood the probabilities on this. So now we have to find out what in the world we are doing next. But before we get started, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. My name is Arca, coming at you here at 2:53 a.m. October 5th. And spot price action, guys, 2:53 a.m. Pacific time, sorry. Spot price action here on XRP is of the value, check it out. Let's just go ahead and block this, 302.61. And that's live. So yeah, guys, what do we got? What do we got here in store for XRP? Well, number one, we do have to kind of give some respect over that gigantic jump over here, guys. And as I believe that now we are at a 98% probability of a Fed pivot. So that's also a good thing that we're starting to kind of price in right now as we speak. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our volatility and see what we got in store for this. So let's just go ahead and start this off from an immediate short-term time frame, just to kind of get the bugs out of the way real quick and find out where this is going. Okay, guys, so let's block the visibility there. We're going to use volatility versus momentum. This is your linear volatility. This is your momentum here. Guys, please remember, I'll never ask you to send me any crypto. I'll never friend request you first or message you first. Okay, join that Discord of mine. Make sure to never reply to any Arca that sounds like me or whatever. Okay, guys? I will never message you first and never friend request you first or ask you to transfer any funds or anything like that. Never. All right, guys? So let's go ahead and continue this and see what's up. So 2-minute time frame, XRP, a little bit of a bull flag formation here, about to give us a little bit of a pop-off. Should it actually, you know what? It's pretty healthy. Yeah, this upside here could actually start breaking out from this point. We can measure the bull flag, measure move, and that will be giving us a target of just about 304.47. So I'm going to give you the hard targets on that. Right here are your resistances for this immediate short-term move. Just about, I'd say just about here. 304.19, 304.60. And of course, we always have to, give some validity to our psychological target in some way, shape, or form. So we're going to leave it like that. We're also going to put some receipts on the price action here so that you don't get lost, right? So you don't get lost. Let's go ahead and place this right over here. Sorry, guys. This thing looks like it should be pivoted like that. There we go. There you go, guys. So this is kind of the resistance that we could be facing, should it be that we have the buy minute face the upside here. So now that we're actually getting this downside here, let's find out if this is a larger time frame potential bull flag. Actually, yeah, it still could be one in the 3-minute time frame. So the 3-minute time frame does suggest an upside continuation, but I want to know if you're oh, this is not over yet. My goodness, look at that. I want to know if you're 1 minute here. This plays upside. Okay, fine. Upside continues into, I guess, a 2-minute. Let's see, 3 minutes of upside still present. Let's see how this changes here in around 10 seconds, right? Yeah, we have a bunch of things closing off at the same time. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. So yeah, upside continuation into the 3, cascading into the 4-minute time frame for continued upside. Let's see. The 5-minute time frame does have upside continuation too. Here we have this upside on stochastics with expansion. That's we're accelerating towards the upside. This still has a kink, so I'm going to say that this still has an upside continuation too. 20-minute time frame would be the final time frame here, guys, and I would say that as soon as this 20-minute closes, that should be giving us the statistical probability for a continuation to the upside. So I'm going to say that this, let's see. All right, so we're just going to do it for now. The downside already may have happened. So your current ATR low is 0.01, putting you down to a 301.84, and it looks like we dropped down here to 301.75. Yeah, that's fair enough. This downside is just about done. Let's see. So yeah, if we can, sorry, the upside is just about done here. So it is suggesting that we would start pulling back at around the 30-minute open, and also your 20-minute open. Yeah, this is a true little moment here, guys. We absolutely need to make sure that we can stay above this line of 302.69 in the immediate short term in order for us to continue towards that upside, or else we have some testing down to the areas, again, of around 301 to just around 299. Let's see. Let me check this out even into the other time frames. So because that was the upside, it already got done statistically speaking. Your downside would continue. Let's see, just about 4 hours worth of downside. That would put you to an ATR low of 301.61. Great. That downside is in fact done. Continuation to the upside would be pretty much, yeah, here pretty soon, I guess. It would be within the next 2 hours at least. 6 hour time frame upside, 4, 6, 8 continuation. 12 hours of time frame still upside, still looking upside into the daily time frame. Upside into the bi-daily, 3 days of upside, still looking good into the 4-day, 5-day, yeah, bi-weekly, and yeah, your monthly time frame. Geez, that's about as far as I can go. So the recent closures are something that we'd be able to use now. Let's see. For example, I guess we can use your weekly time. I'm not sure if we already reached the top side of that, but we also had the bi-weekly. Yeah, that's right. I guess we're going to have to use the bi-weekly here, guys. So the current ATR top would be 340. Wow. 340.25. And, yeah, I mean, tangible targets to that would actually be around the 336.18 to around just about 340.32. Wow. Okay. Let me see the drawings. Do we have anything here? Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I would say just about here is kind of where we're inching to go to. So pretty damn good, guys. Okay. Yeah, I definitely like what we're seeing here, guys. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so I mean, we of course we have still these resistances to kind of get over 313.88, 316.36 and 318.89, all good. But should it be that we can withstand the pressures here of either a daily or an an 8 hour time frame, a 50% prior bar pull, this is looking incredibly bullish to me still, team. Yeah, this is not something that I feel like it's, I feel like this is getting ready for another upside. And we said that just yesterday, right? That we were going to potentially see a gigantic upside continuation. So let's see. Yeah, your 3 day time frame, guys. This thing has an ATR top. I mean, it's ridiculous here. ATR top would be around 328.29. So that's another top side that we'd have to consider here, which would be roughly in this area here, 327.02, maybe 327.57. 320, I would say 326.72 to 327.57. That would be an area. Do we have anything there right in here? Okay, these will be your immediate short-term resistances. This one here. There we go. So heads up as we move up, but I see this as a big probability. Your daily ATR top on this is around your 309. So yeah, that means that we're coming right back up, guys, on a daily time frame, right? So your daily time frame did have to kind of do its little dance here or whatever it is, or your 3 day time frame, right, to pull back to the 50%. So this, yeah, the daily bar here would be, I mean, it already kind of did it once, all right. So, I mean, it didn't reach all the way towards the 309. It did reach a 307, so fair enough. But it is kind of retracing back to the 50% of the prior bar, which means that, yeah, just about $3. So 3.0055 could be that point of entry. And of course, we kind of already have that for sure. So here it is, guys. I think that this would be your tangible targets for the continuation to the upside. We're going to go ahead and just mark them off right about here. These two. You pick up the pieces here, guys, and then this will potentially start expanding towards the upside again. Okay, guys. So make sure to join the classes, guys. The 9-week mentorship for $100 for the beginners in trading is going to start here right away. So make sure to get enrolled before all the seats are taken, and everything will be cool. But I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. If any questions, you reach out to me. Okay, team. Adios, and yeah, adios. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever, 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 ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell on Monday. Adios, team. Oh yeah.